De temps en temps, nous serons heureux. Pour l'éternel, que tu peux traverser les nuits sans tomber. Que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées.
How's the bed, Josh?
Good.
Good? These are the two beds. One queen, two queens. There's the artwork, the chandelier, and then the cabinet. And then this is the toilet, the bathroom, and then the shower. We stay at the ilang room. The first units are the ilang rooms. So this is ilang number 1. This is ilang number 1. And then the next one is the ilang unit number 2. It has these gorgeous flowers. Beautiful flowers. And then here, I think these are lotus. Those are vinca. These are vinca. There's a chili here. And then let's go to that cottage. There is a cottage right across. And then there is another unit there. I don't know the name of the unit. And then there is this one here. A place to hang around. That's our unit. That's my brother's unit. This is a fireflower. Hi guys.
Hi.
Is there, Josh?
A pond.
Oh, are there flowers?
Here.
No. No flowers.
Ano yung tubig? Lagyan mo sa fridge para malamig.
Saan sa kotse?
Yan.
Hi, To! Oh. Get the tripod, Josh. Hi, To. Hi, other Tuto. This is the restaurant. It's quiet right now because it's 2 o'clock. It's past lunchtime. And then over there. Hi, To. Hi, Ging.
Hi.
Hi, Josh.
Wink. Wink.
They are part of the LJC group. And these are the restaurants. The LJC group is Bistro Remedios.
Meron ba?
They
May
have 2
nakita ko.
restaurants here. Valley
Okay.
Chase. They have 3. This farm in Magalang, Pampanga, where we are right now. They have Larry's
Seasonal pala
Cafe and Bar, Lorenzo's Bay.
Oh,
And then this is where we went to pay for the down payment for this reservation. Cafe Adriatico. And then
seasonal.
yeah, so those are they are a group of restaurants.
Kaya mo, tagaya ka na mamaya. Kuha kang baso. Salamat.
Masarap. Ano yung dito? Ano dito?
Ano to? Ano to? Mangohito.
Mojito. Mojito at mango.
O, tikman mo.
May po may straw.
Cheers mo.
Ay, sige po. Thank you.
Tapos yung watermelon.
Uy, ang sarap ng halo-halo niyo. Sarap ng halo nila.
Gatas ng kalabaw eh. Oo.
Sabi nila.
Oh, may kalabaw silang pang ano eh.
Yung watermelon sa kinakasarap ako. Fresh from ano.
Okay. Ayos, thank you.
Pinapasarap pa yung watermelon. Yeah. With achara po.
Sarap
Oh,
yan.
yaman. Ano lang.
Tayo din yan.
Pampabata.
Tumatay pang. Kakatay lang yan, no?
Sarap yan. May sili. Yay. Ang buro. Yay.
Ah, wow.
Special. I'm making my Pampangan buro. Most likely this is made from hito wrapped in mustard leaves.
Yum, yum.
Mm.
This is the mango hito. Mango mojito.
Mango hito.
Yeah, but this is shortcut of mango mojito. Yeah.
What do you say?
Oh, that's the most
Filipino.
special. That's the most special. Most special, like
Oh,
watermelon.
cheers, guys.
This is the liampo. Oh,
JD.
just cheers now, Josh. I'll just cheers with this one.
JD.
Just cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ay, ay.
Oh, the liampo became like watermelon liampo. So yeah. Liampo, smoked baboy, and buro. Buro with mustasa. Oh, I like this presentation. Are you guys playing?
Dapat yan yung lang yung
Kailangan partida ni Rolly. Ask Tito Otto to show you. Oh, buro ba yan? May sisibating ka pa.
Boracay was like this back in the days. It's very quiet.
Where?
Boracay made cottages like that. And this is another unit. Abe Suite. That's the Abe Suite. And then there's another unit there. And then another one over there. I think that's the last one. And then let's walk all the way to the other side. I think that's it. Oh, this one leads to this room, Gumamela. So these are Gumamela at the end. And I think that's an office. That's another property on the other side. Let's go to the swimming pool.
De temps en temps, nous serons heureux pour l'éternel, que tu peux traverser la nuit sans tomber, que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées, que tu peux aimer sans renoncer.
Ilang Ilang 1, Ilang Ilang 2. Ilang Ilang 1 has like a queen bed and one single. Ilang Ilang 2 has 2 queen beds. The parking is right here.
Tu verras mon amour que la vie est belle. Tu verras tous les jours des nuits sans sommeil, mes gants de velours, des nouveaux tes chaînes et nous serons heureux pour l'éternel. Tu verras mon amour que la vie est belle. Tu connaîtras ce jour sans pareil, mes gants de velours, des nouveaux tes chaînes et nous serons heureux pour l'éternel. Que tu peux
sun is on the other side.
sans tomber, que tu peux rêver devant nous échapper, que tu peux rêver sans renoncer.
Have you seen a like ant as big as that? Kalachuchi. I think this is the pool. Yeah, this is the pool area. So this is the swimming pool area. But Josh is probably going to swim. Now let's go back. Josh, come here. Stop. Okay, ano man ganito? Para sige ba no?
Oh, okay. You're in the middle.
Pawis na pawis. Thank you. Josh beat Tito Otto.
No, Tito
No.
wants to beat me 2 times in a row.
Good game.
Yeah, it's good. It's warm.
That's answer.
I'll hold you. Oh. Sarap po. It's warm. Look, you're sweating. Mommy will get
Oh
your
yeah, look at
shirt.
your sweat. This is the Ifugao room.
Hindi, walang guest. Hindi nakalakas.
Bye.
My feet are all good.
This is the property in the evening. Nice house, Josh. At the lights.
Snake?
Sige to. There's the snail.
Here, Josh,
Very
you can-
cute snail.
You can see the head.
Oh my gosh.
Came this time again.
Look at this snail. Oh my gosh. He's so cute. Oh my gosh, I want to hold him, but he's gonna roll up.
Now we're heading to the restaurant for dinner. This is the walkway to our units. Nagtawag to eh.
Ako ang video.
Ha?
Gani, ba't nagtawag sa ako man una sa
Nagtawag
ako?
man.
Sa ako ganyan ito unang tawag eh. Ang bala ko ni pala ko mong ko to.
Nagtawag. Oh.
Oh,
Just where are you going? Ano pag nagkaamang kung urong din?
Tumagot mo.
Ah.
Tumagot mo yung password.
Password.
Ay, last lang.
Hina ang signal. Hina ang signal. This. Entrance is here.
saan ba dito?
Yeah. Dito ka na. Ayan. Do you want to do frog hunting, Josh? Do you want to look for frogs?
Dito?
Snails, yan oh. Frogs or snails. You know the...
I just realized what the shape of this pizza is.
Go to.
What is
Sige,
much?
Ano inumin mo ngayon, Nel?
Ang na baboy sa ube.
Yung bao.
This is natin.
Thank you.
Sunmade. Good Sunmade. Another Sunday.
Naka-order na kayo, sir?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa na-order. Ready na kami.
Ready na.
Sige ba?
Oo. Kaya si Mrs. na, si Leslie.
Sinigang na baboy sa ube.
Wala na tayong baboy mo?
Wala na baboy?
Bulalo.
Bulalo. Gusto mo bulalo?
Oh, yes.
Bulalo. Masarap,
Bulalo.
masarap ba yung bulalo? Bulalo. Sinantol na hipon.
Opo.
At saka, meron kayong pako. Pako. At saka, yung supo sa aligi.
Opo.
Ano pang isa? Nakalimutan ko na.
Inihaw.
Inihaw.
Hindi na.
Ha?
Inihaw.
Ayun na. Kasi pinalitan na ng supo sa aligi eh. Ano pa nga yan? Isa? Baby hito.
Sinantol.
Sinantol na ano? Ano yun?
Yung hipon.
Oo.
Adobo.
It's...
In what?
Cheers,
Cheers,
Josh, cheers.
guys.
In what?
Cheers,
Everything?
Josh. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Mm.
House lizards. One is like, one just ate a cricket. Oh, another one too.
Oh my
Two all
god.
eating crickets.
I know that lizard is a
predator. Ito hindi yan house lizard, no? Hindi yan.
Ako.
Thank you.
Ay, paki. Dito.
Oh.
Ah, may puro pala at mustasa ulit. Ditong hito.
Bulalo din sa gitna pala.
Oh, yun. Ano this? An insect in your thing.
Three sisters.
Ito na.
Itong sinantol.
Do you want any more drinks?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. There's a living ant.
Ano ito? Sinantolan? Santol something. Supo. It's
Oh,
hito.
that bites.
Bulalo. And then
And it hurts. And you get bump. Right? Skin bump.
Oh. Number rice po.
Nice. Thank you.
Number rice po. Serve ko na po.
Sige.
Thank you.
Ano na.
Tira. Gusto ba? Number rice.
Ay, sarap.
Dapat sinantulang hipon. And then the hito. Hito with buro. Yung santol. Pako ba yan?
Pero nagtanong mo kung madala niyo. Ano mo? Ako.
Dala ni mo to. Phone mo. Okay.
Ligo tayo.
Oh, there's a frog. Oh, there are two frogs, Josh. Yeah.
Meron?
There are two frogs. 1 second.
Meron?
There are two frogs. Huh? Oh yeah, there are. Batute. Oh, there's one more there.
Kokak. Josh, in the Philippines we say kokak, the sound of the frog. How about in America? How do you say it, JD? Ganun ba? Hindi kokak? Ito fern to, di ba?
Yes, yan. Pero hindi yan pako.
Hi, Tito Otto.
What happened?
Hopscotch.
Yup.
Sorry, what's the voucher code again? Okay. 275 243. Thank you.
Did you hear that? Josh,
Yeah.
that's a house lizard. Tuko.
It's also a cricket. Watch your step. Watch your where you're stepping. You might step on a cricket. Junk everywhere. Under your bed. No, I think I see it.
This is our second day here in Abe's farm, but we are only here overnight, so we are checking out later. But we'll have breakfast first and probably play badminton. We're not sure. It's like kind of like warm and humid. And Josh is still asleep. Right now it's 6:37 and breakfast starts at 7 o'clock. That's our view from the backside. Right here. There's a papaya tree, and there is that like tree that I can't remember anymore. And there are a lot of birds chirping. Good morning, Josh. Are you awake? Do you remember where we are? Where are we, Josh?
We're on Abby's farm.
Josh is joining Tito Otto. I'll open it. I'll close it, Josh, though. Ano hambal? Hi, Josh. Hi, Josh. Are you having a relaxing time?
May mga raketa.
Ewan ko lang. Sa loob
May paddle.
Sa loob kasi ng parang ano eh. Saka dito rin yung rock.
We're here at Abby's farm.
Thumbs up to all the staff.
Josh, you're playing? You're practicing? Hi guys. Hi to. Beautiful.
But someone interrupted.
It's okay.
Why are they playing?
It's for everybody. After
That's where they are preparing our breakfast. They're making our hot chocolate from Baterol.
ang sikat na sikat yung poe ko eh.
Chocolate.
Oh, that's hot chocolate, Josh. Made from scratch.
Yeah.
Not the powder one.
Yeah.
Special.
And this
Thank
is,
you.
I think, cocoa, not like
Thank you.
powder.
Cocoa
Not
from
like
here.
powder. Thank you, Andrew.
Sir, order niyo dalawang casino po.
Oo.
Isang tapa, isang longganisa.
Oo.
Tapa sa'yo, Josh. You like beef? The tapa.
等一下，有
Tocino. And then, longganisa.
Nap.
Did you get
Thank you.
5 to 10 minutes away lang.
Nagmamotor ka.
Motor po.
Oh,
Wala pa po akong kotse.
Malapit na.
Sa boss eh.
here's the pako.
I wonder where they get all of the furniture from.
Oh,
From the
how
store.
did the owner lives downstairs?
No, but vacations.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. She comes here from time to time. And then before this became a restaurant, it used to be their, ano ba tawag nyo sa atin?
Rest house.
Rest house. Like a vacation house.
Having breakfast.
This is a traditional Filipino.
This is how it is. Perfect to. Dahil ilan lang yung mga ano rooms
Rich and
eh.
creamy and yummy.
Ang total lang yata 12 eh. Yung lahat na.
Humok ka, di ba? So, this is the...
Ay, ito pala yung mga tapos gata nga lang ako gatas kung magtao.
Oh, mga ano yun.
Pagtangan lang ito gatas, kasi wala na kita ng orang.
Dali, masira pagkatas eh, no?
Tapos yan lang. Kaya di ba wala yung ingatan sa tayo dahil.
Mata man kayo ko dati sa ano eh. Dahil ng test sa kang high school, di ba? Matan kaya na obra ng tayo. Nabutang nagtatas. Oh, look at this. Super yummy. And then you put condensed milk. Or maybe this is evaporated milk. I'm not sure. I think maybe it's evaporated milk. That's how you make. Banana panyalo.
You can eavesdrop.
Mga lumboy ka.
Alam boy. May nakita kang boy? Oh, just on the side.
Careful with your steps. I don't.
Very nice to be
Careful. There's a lot of compost here.
Abot ito mga vlog ko. Ang guyom
Antik?
kayo na eh.
Mga antik, no?
Hindi, guyom ka na.
Agul, oh nga. Ang antik, ibang antik ay?
Hindi, pula yan. Ba, queen nga yung tama sa Diyos. Yan ang lumboy, luhat.
Saan? Ito? Anong ba yan?
Yan, yan mo.
Ah! Oh, ano palang lumbay nga lang sa English, no?
Duhay.
What bunga pa, no?
Sino?
Ah, yeah.
Puro lumbay.
Lumbay rin ang kanino. Daw grapes, no? Taas lang yun. Oh, yeah, there you go. Those are like, I don't know what it's called in English.
Hurry up, hurry up.
There are mangoes too. Look at the mangoes, Josh.
There's a mosquito and
It's
a lot
fine,
of flies.
Josh. A lot of mangoes there, Josh. Oh, ano? Dikit, no? Gadikit sanda. Gadikit sanda to. Parang fruit flies. Ito din, no? Play badminton first, Josh. With Tito Otto. Oo, thank you. Salamat ha.
Are you ready?
Whoa! Beautiful, no? So beautiful.
Hopscotch.
Very good, Josh. This is a shortcut, Josh. Tinuruan ko nga si Young Chi and realize ko hindi pala marunong maglaro.
Hello, welcome to JD's vlog. Today I'm very pawis.
Josh, give me that. We're checking out now. Leaving now. We truly enjoyed our stay here at the... This is the bathroom. Let's show you. I already filmed earlier. You have the rain shower over there. We truly enjoyed our stay here at Abby's farm. It's so beautiful and it is super relaxing. You need help?
Careful.
You need help, Baba? I'll carry the other one. The fire flower is so gorgeous. And this is the elephant flower.
God.
Go!
What's wrong with this?
Tito Otto can help you.
Before I go, so
Are you going to BB?
stayed at this farm. We enjoyed it very much. Thank you.
We're leaving
Ang
now.
dami din ng duhat. Bigyan mo rin ko. Sa'yo.
De temps en temps, nous serons heureux. Pour l'éternel, que tu peux traverser les